Food fraud. The government says tests so far have not confirmed claims plastic rice is on the market. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, release the report. More pressure for government to explain why it's approved a development on the old cholera cemetery.
Legal advice. The PNP considers challenging the results of a recount after losing by 1 vote.
What's the plan? Epoch explains what the government should do about oil prices.
Back in business, the Pepin market is reopened after Friday's closure.
And in business news, Proven Investments makes a big acquisition.
There is also sports commentary, primetime weather, as well as E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Do you pay attention to labels when purchasing food items?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @television jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.